Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up TaskbarX. First, you will need to download the application. You can find it on the official website or through the Microsoft Store. If you prefer not to install software, select the portable version. Otherwise, the installer will set everything up for you automatically. Once downloaded, extract the files if you chose the portable option, and then launch the executable. After launching TaskbarX, the icons on your taskbar should automatically center. If they don't, open the TaskbarX configurator. This tool allows you to customize various aspects of the application. The Style tab is where you can confirm the centering behavior. You can also adjust the offset value by a few pixels to perfectly align your icons if needed. TaskbarX offers extensive customization. Navigate to the Animation tab to choose from over 40 different animation styles for when icons move. In the Style tab, you can modify the taskbar's background, opting for full transparency, a subtle blur, or an acrylic effect. You can also define conditions, such as when a maximized window is open, for the taskbar to revert to its default left alignment. To ensure TaskbarX runs every time you start your computer, go to the About tab and enable the Start with Windows option. The Advanced tab provides further fine-tuning, such as adjusting the refresh rate or excluding specific applications. Remember to click the Apply button in the configurator after making any changes to save your settings. This ensures your personalized taskbar experience persists.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.